like beads from a watermelon. I love this watermelon. It looks so cool, and then you're seeing it changing. It's even like cooler. Add more as you needed it. It's just I probably need a little bit. That's all. Close. You don't want it to get scared by accidentally. All right, here you go. Let's move this off from the screen. This, I have to say, you know, when you're doing the Velvetty Gel, it's not only shaping, and also the application will save you so much time, odor less. And so you can, moving on to like a next creativity, which is that if the client's getting nail art design, or if the clients don't want any designs on, they just want solid the Velvetty Gel, guess what? You have additional 15 to 20 minutes to take a break for yourself. Or if you don't, like you don't take a break between the clients, and you can take another appointment, you know. It's up to you, but then I'm really enjoying it, and you don't, it's literally really a minimums of the dust you have to filing, and as well as is really low odor, so you don't even smell. I'm sitting right here with you, I didn't smell nothing. Well, of course you can sniff on it, then you might see he smells something. Maybe you can smell watermelons. Look at that, I am loving it. Okay, so now you can see that it's ombre. It's really cool though. You can leave it as it is and put clears on and get as finished as the ombre. I'm really like it. Or we are going to add some glitter on it. Can I get the other ones, glitters? Maybe that one, babe. Maybe that one. Oh no, maybe this one. Looks cool. I'm gonna add the super. This one was in the exclusive. No, I want some of this. This is exclusive EX glitter. You can also add that, but I want to add this one a little bit bright on. However you want. Glitz have like probably 100 different glitter as well. If something is really coming up really soon with the classes in Pensacola, please stay tuned. And also you can able to visit our headquarters. We'll have a really nice boutiques area. You can shop there, and also just let you know, so then you'll be so excited. And that's gonna be a glitter bar, so you can select your own, you can get your own glitter of yourself, and we can't wait to have you. So we're gonna keep you posted when is the grand openings for the showroom, as well as in class arrivals coming up. So all right, so you can see us like streaming every day. So I am going to add like a super adorable watermelons. Maybe you get 3 slides. Talking about this, we have a whole watermelons. God, I'm so in love with this. Okay, happy with this? We're going to set it for about maybe 30-second flash clear first, before I am going to add the crystal clear on. Okay. All right, hello everyone, happy Friday. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you all have a fabulous Fridays. I know you all are so busy usually on Friday, and then if you are having your kids go back to school, then probably this week gonna be also busy. So make sure you take good care of yourself, drink a lot of water, get some sleep. And then of course we did the raspberry before we did watermelon, so now the next one even really fun. I'm going to do lemonade, and then with that glitters is the all season glitters. And then we have a lemons slice. We're gonna do it lemonade. It's gonna be so adorable. Okay, so that one, we are going to get it in cap, like cap it with crystal clears before we move to the next one. So here you go. Just about smaller beads. Keep in mind, oh my god, look at the watermelon. It's changing the colors. I love this one. This is the watermelon. I have to say, this is one of my favorites. It's changing so cool. And this isn't how you're doing it ombre. You can see that, but you can do the other way. If you're doing whole nails, it's gonna look exactly the watermelon slide. So like it gets green on their part, and then I don't know, it's a meat or whatever you call it, and then the outside is like have a green and inside is red. Okay, here you go, babe. Hello, Sadri. Hello, thank you so much for tuning in. So make sure you close it. Always close it, because sometimes I'm not only do nails only, but I always love to talk to the clients, and then we just get into the conversation. We forget that we have the caps is still open, and then it's not gonna be fun when someone will find out that it's set here. So definitely, or if you are your studio, your salon, your station is right in front of the window, so just make sure you are going to close it and place in a nice cool place, in a dark place, but then avoiding a sun, like direct to the sun heat. All right, so it's bland. You can see that it's bland. It's so easy. It's already salt level. And then this, I submerging it, my brush into the base gels. Okay. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Now we are going to Kia, and you don't even like have tone it upside down because it's already salt levels really fast for you. This is one of my faves. All right, Kia, 60 seconds.